for bad news update dia Ghana Info TV. You was say news be trend on social media news be kofa aba no tofa dey be some our channels nene yen ka bi shim story be da social media so ejene homa na yi pa me be make asa pi no me so be kamu ni akọ social media so na kohwe ani akoti dey trend bi e dey aba dey aka no me ba to amoso.
Nana Asante Bediatuo tato. Folks, tonight, let me tell you straight up. Government nepa umbeka ne krenencho umopo munyai. But tonight, I am here to tell the loved ones, the fans of Nana Asante Bediatuo and whoever, brace yourself. I know it's a by and large, beba. But time come beba and meaning say intia omoye de omoye. But tonight, I'm here to break the news to you. The sympathizers of Bediatuo, friends and loved ones and whatnot. Say, Nana Asante Bediatuo Edda live support. Yes. He's on a live support. Now, in medical situation, yes, will be the live support as well. As I said, the person is dead. Yes. So be the live support as well. Not just say the person is dead. The organs is working through the machinery. Ye machine if you so you can say invariably medically or a dead person or down. But the machine in a yes widman ye or ye FENRA. And that's the state our intelligence is putting the situation of Nana Asante Bediatuo. Yes. Yeah, tonight. Nana Asante Bediatuo is still on life support. And life support, no. Say per Intel na Ukraine just every week biana an amount of about $5,000 week biao. When we biana, that's how I figure na economy. Be says can Ghana. Ye says every week bia na bosumens where no better life support no sukwesi da ben. Folks, your guess is as good as mine anytime soon. I'm sure they themselves will break the news to you. But let's do it this way for folks. And like I said earlier, he may not be able to join. Your friend is saying the president in the transition and the handover of files Nana Asante Bediatuo is on live support. And live support, you can interpret it in many medical language, especially the doctors among us listening tonight. They know what I'm talking about. Folks, it's rather unfortunate. That's the special breaking news story on Nana Asante Bediatuo. Now, folks,
Ghana, you will nipa bakwa yen yedi sika from 2017. Besi ene de odi de oshe de onum the fuel bibia wana ho the medical bills Ghana ni tua your friend no Asante Bediatuo. Okay. And I say oyare. Say UK minister bagana hano be yare a. Yede ne be ko he. Yede ne be ko ne kurum. Say yamfa ne ko Ghana, yamfa ne ko no hospital e wo ne kurum. Tika Asante Bediatuo so ko yare wo UK US ahina sese yede ne ba. Madrid was a mentiasio. Omo you am so mercy hospital ama me boa. I don't know yare no ni kuruma hospital ne bi. Wocho ye ka asem twa mutum kaka nkwa asem. Agenda wuni 1111. Agenda wo se 1111. Agenda 111 Asante Bediatuo dem bi. Agenda 111 no. Emu di Ahintasemtv Bediatuo da. Odai. Ye bibia dada. Let it say so if in Germany ba no ye or your diplomat wa be yare wo Ghana the next available flight the never go Germany. Other than Asante Bediatuo the next available flight if US ba Ghana na amfa number one meda agenda 111. Enra me pass 70 me sheda ko UGMC University of Ghana Medical Center say ono. When you are there say ekoso. Say the be ya yen ntimi nkobi nti. First na ka 1500. Udu na dey ato ho ansa ya hwewo. No, I'm call 2,000. Would the 2 answer your show? And I'm call 3,000. Would do 2 answer your show? Say we need 45 million. 4,500 Ghana cedis. Would do UGMC? 10 Mahama Nisi, 10 make a 10 years so be at years. We are in the Jamaica 10 Nisi. Would do UGMC? We need 4,500 Ghana cedis, 45 million. Yedebe Maukada Yintivin show.
Asante Bediatuo live support na yedena tosono. A doctor for say emu ayeden nti omo person to live support no na omo abusuanfo ase abusuanfo no ensign na omunya kwanyi live support no mfiri no so no abusuanfo nso so omunya dey omo ensign ne no ma sign ochena nti a doctor for a ehwe won pa kire se abusuanfo no ansign dia ehun kabia no omo de bebre Ghana aban efrise or the Ghana binding and a debeda ho. Na yehwehwem so a live support no a day one day ye dia chaw kra no $4,000. Nti Ghana fo mumyemu hu kontai ne yehwe se e beda so akopum da bay ansa no wakọ anase abusuafo no ye Ghana fo no ye be kasa loud ne shout loud na abusuafo no assign na my Ghana ye ka eba bede so ewa Asante Bediatuo ho no atumi aba fo mo ana we eyenkra yensa aka no ene no
Nana Asante and Bediatuo tato. Folks, tonight, let me tell you straight up. Government nepa umbeka ne krenencho omopo munyai. But tonight, I am here to tell the loved ones, the fans of Nana Asante Bediatuo and whoever, brace yourself. I know it's a by and large, beba, and but time come beba and meaning say tia omoye de omoye. But tonight I'm here to break the news to you, the sympathizers of Bediatuo, friends and loved ones and whatnot. Say, Nana Asante Bediatuo Edda live support so. Yes, he's on a live support now in medical situation. Yes, will be the live support as well. As I said, the person is dead.
I was for any trend yakofa bidia besomo or channels na sana beso no be show so be like be share no subscribe adwentwe bia obi ano na that to comment section na say area amame emrepe mu no make kind amamo makram
Ghana Info TV.